Have you ever tried drinking clove tea? It sounds unconventional, but tea with clove is very beneficial for health. Let us find out what are the most important health benefits of drinking clove tea. Oral health. If you have dental problems, sore gums or painful sores, sipping tea with clove can help you get rid of your problems. The antimicrobial properties in clove tea kill harmful bacteria present in the mouth. Cold, damp, cough. In cold and chest tightness, clove tea causes a relief. It clears out the cough and produces relaxation in symptoms of asthma. Blood pressure regulation. The presence of magnesium in clove tea boosts your immunity. Magnesium in the clove also helps to lower your blood pressure. Better digestion. Clove tea also regulates your stomach disorders. If you are experiencing frequent acidity and stomach issues, try sipping clove tea for some days. It kicks the production of digestive juices in your body by increasing blood circulation. Skin repair. Clove tea prevents the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. No wonder its powerful anti-aging properties is used in most cosmetics. Besides, you can cure many types of skin-related problems with clove tea. If by simply adding 1 cup of clove tea in your daily habit can bring so much advantages, why not consider giving it a try?